Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is me, your girl, Goddess of Love and Truth Reacts, coming to you with another video upload. So you guys, y'all know that we are entering into a new year. We're leaving 2024 and we're ringing in the new year of 2025. So I was going to go downtown Dallas and watch the fireworks show like I did last year. However, I decided that I'm going to stay home because they are not doing the drone show anymore. Something happened, I believe in Florida, something happened. I believe I don't quote me on what happened, but something happened with the drone show that affected someone. I don't know if they was injured or someone passed away from something that happened. I heard it, but I wasn't like really listening. But they said that the drone show, the people that does the drone show was pulling out because of the incident that occurred not too long ago regarding the drones. It didn't happen here in Dallas, but just because it happened, they're pulling out of it. So they're still going to do the fireworks, just not the drone. And I don't live that close to downtown Dallas, so I'm like, I'm not going to drive all the way out there just to watch the fireworks when I can watch it on TV. The drone show be so good. If you haven't seen my video, you can go back and look up my video. I did post it on this channel recently, like within the last month or so, just giving you guys a view of the drone show and of the New Year's celebration for last year, leaving 2023 going into 2024. So, another thing I decided to do because I wanted to share with you guys my other home, my home away from home, which is Dubai in the UAE, the United Emirates. You know, that's my home away from home, and they are hours ahead of us. So I believe like 9 hours. Don't quote me on that. I know it's a good amount of hours because every time I go, I have to. It takes me a while to get on the difference, the change of the time, because when I'm in Dallas and we're going to bed, they're already up or waking up in Dubai. And, so like when I was in Dubai, when I wake up, everybody here in Dallas, they already sleep. Y'all get what I'm saying. I'm tired and I'm laying down, so I may not be making any sense, but y'all know what I'm saying. The time difference. Y'all know if y'all travel internationally or whatever, y'all know it's a time difference. I'm not talking about like 2 or 3 hours. I mean, it's a big time gap. It literally take me forever to get adjusted, but I'm there long enough. I'm never there for a short period of time. I'm there for weeks at a time. So I get, accustomed back to it. And then when I come back to the United States, then I have to adjust again back to the time. But anyway, the reason I said all of that is because Dubai time has already brought in the New Year's a few hours ago. So I wanted to share with you guys the New Year's fireworks show from my home away from home. So I'm going to play that, and then I'm going to, at the end of the video, I'm going to add a little clip where I was in Dubai sitting on my balcony and I have a view of this Burj Khalifa. So when I'm there, at nighttime, they do like a little firework. They have like a certain time at night that they do like a little fountain and fireworks show. It's I mean, not firework, it's like a light show. Like the building light up, they have lights, and then they have like a fountain show. It's nothing compared to what you're about to see. Now this here, they only do it for the New Year's and then like special occasion, but I believe it's really reserved for the New Year's where they have this fireworks show as well as the light show. So again, I'm gonna show y'all that Dubai just brought in the New Year's and their fireworks show, and then at the end of that, you're gonna have a clip of me on my balcony in Dubai, and I have a view of this same building, which is the Burj Khalifa. All right, you guys, let's get into it. actually live in the building as well. I've only been in the building once. And no, I did not go all the way up. I went before the heights. Yes, I fly, but I have my limits. Okay, you guys, so you just watched the New Year's bringing into the New Year's for 2025 from Dubai. And give me one moment. I'm just going to pull up and show. I'm not going to show a full video, just show a clip of me out on my balcony in Dubai with the view of this Burj Khalifa. One moment. And beautiful people. It is 10:14 a.m. here Dubai time, and it is 1:14 a.m. back in Dallas, Texas right now. I'm on my patio, my balcony, having my morning coffee. The view of the Burj Khalifa. They would have some lights going on last night by 10 something. I jumped up there and recorded it real quick because I could see it when I was laying down in the bed. This is just from my patio. Once again, on my balcony, or however you want to call it. The water out there. It's about the water way back in the distance. You can see it through the buildings. All right, and I'm gonna end it here. I just wanted to add a little clip. This the full video of, well, I have multiple full videos of my Dubai trips because I go to Dubai quite often. Again, like I said, it's my home away from home. And I mean that. I love Dubai. I'm always in Dubai. But yeah, I just wanted to, since I brought you guys the fireworks show for the New Year's celebration for 2025, I thought I would just add a little bonus clip at the end of me on my patio, balcony, whatever you want to call it, in Dubai, and show my Burj Khalifa view. That building there, the tallest building, that is where you just watched the fireworks show. And on my travel channel, I do have recordings at nighttime. Well, I think I did it maybe once or twice when they would do just not a fireworks show, but they have a lighting show like I mentioned at the beginning. They have a show every night where they do lights, and they have the water, it shoots up, but you can't see the water from my balcony. You can only see, unless you're there, you can only see the water show if you're there. And on the video from where I just showed the New Year celebration, they had a water show, so you saw the water shooting up there. But from my balcony, I can only see the actual lights. But they don't have fireworks unless it's the New Year's. All right, you guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. As y'all can see, I sound tired. I hope I don't sound too tired. I got to make sure that I stay up so I can watch the Dallas fireworks show tonight, bringing in the New Year's. But since Dubai, my home away from home, has already brought in the new year of 2025, I wanted to share that with you guys as well. Happy New Year's to you all. I hope you all have a safe and wonderful night, whatever you're doing, bringing in the New Year's wherever you are around the world. Happy New Year's. And as we say before we go, love, peace, and hair grease. Smooches. Bye bye.